Welcome to Selenium Automation Testing channel. So today I'm going to explain about the chain test report. So if you go for chain test report, so if you type in GitHub like chain test GitHub, you will get this URL. So in the URL, they have mentioned like this is the dependency you need to add. But dependency we are in MBR repository we are typing as chain test TestNG. So in the ambient repository I have typed as like chain test TestNG. So I have got this dependency. So this dependency I'm adding in the pom.xml file. So this is one thing. And step number two. In step number two, uh, all these properties I'm adding in the one of the file. If you look it right, in SRC test resources folder, I have adding the entire file here. Here path is returning like in which file you can see a target forward slash chain test index.html. In this path, report will be generated. That path we are giving it. And above, here I am writing the name of the application, open cart application. In that way, I have written. Now, in step number two, this is step number two. In step number three, uh, at the rate listener chain test dot class. This annotation we should write in the base class. So in the my framework, I have written here above. So this is the base class, and for the every test class, I'm extending the base class. So when I'm running the particular test case, I should get the report. Report means, for example, if I run the any e-commerce website, in that website, login, search page, add to cart, payment, after payment, success message. So whatever actions we have performed, we will get the report. By looking that report only, we can come to the conclusion, right? Particular test case is pass or fail. In that report, what actions I have performed. Entire details I will get in the report. So now I'm going to run the particular test case. And another thing is like in line number 12, I will return the logs. Logs means whatever actions I have performed. For example, I'm writing the login test case. In that login test case, I need to verify the username and perform. Or else I will write down like entered username and so here I'm writing the actions. If you go to the particular method inside, it is a class, it's extending iTest execution listeners. It is implementing the iTest I execution listener and iTest listener. It is also interface and I invoked method listener. These are class. It is implementing the interface means this class is implementing all these interfaces. So this is the method log. We are writing the in this string format. That's why I have written in the string format. So this is a class which contains the methods. By using that methods, I am writing the logs. Logs means this particular test case what exactly it is doing, entering the password or clicking search button like that. For instance, here I'm entering the username and password. Now I will execute this particular test case. So browser is going to launch. It will open Amazon site. It will click on accounts, sign in button. It will enter username and password. And the test case runs successfully. So now I will refresh this project. So you can see that configure file, not configure. In the target file, I will get the report. So 7:44 is the time and 15 is. So today is the date, time and details. Everything was there. Now I will go to the report. So in that report you can see that clear report. So here I have executed one test case. That one test case pass. And below here you can see that entered username and password. Whatever information I have written, log information actions, those actions displayed here. So in this way, we will get the detailed report. So by looking the report to, we will share the report to the lead. Lead will see the report and how many test case passed, how many of them fail. If the any test case is fail, that method exception also will be there. So this is all about the chain test report. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.